Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorial. So for the last few months we have been going through a lot of videos that explains some of the basic things that you need to know while using MS Excel. So today also I'll be going through another useful tip that will help you to improve the look and feel of your Excel reporting. Today what we are going to look into is how to use shapes in MS Excel. Okay, there are a lot of shapes in MS Excel that's available for the users to enhance their reporting and its appearance. So let's see how we can insert different types of shapes into an MS Excel sheet. So for that, first you need to open your Excel sheet, and on the top menu you can see the insert option, the insert menu. Click on that. So under the insert menu you can see an option called shapes. Just click on that. And you'll be getting a huge amount of shapes, a huge list of shapes that you can incorporate within your Excel document. So here you can see recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow charts, tabs and banners, callouts. A lot of things are there. So here I will teach you how we can place the shapes into this Excel sheet. Okay, so click on the before placing the shapes, click on the area where you need to place the shapes. Okay, so I want to place the shape here. I'll be clicking over here. Then from insert I'll be selecting the shapes. Under the shapes there are a lot of different options. So now I would like to click this shape, rectangle rounded corner. I'll be clicking on that. Yeah, and now you can see that your cursor has changed into a cross symbol. Okay, just left click on the button and drag it. Okay, so you can leave the mouse when you feel that you have enough width and length for your shape. So I need to make it more square. Okay, yeah, now I am leaving my left mouse button. Yeah, so now I have my shape over here. Okay, so this is my shape. So I also need to create further shapes that support this one. So I'll be creating a block arrow here, again dragging it. Okay, again I'll be going for another shape. So circular shape, oval shape. Yeah, so you can place any number of shapes anywhere you want to get it. Okay, so I'm not going through all the shapes. So these are the basic things. So you can place any kind of shapes here. You can place a star here. You can place like double wave symbol. So anything can be placed over here. Okay, so it looks very good while you're preparing reports for your organization. And that's all for today from my side. This is a basic step of creating of inserting shapes into your Excel sheet. I hope that you like this video. That's all from my side for today. So I am sure that this video is very much useful for you, and hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, just share this video, like it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new content on my YouTube channel. Till I come with my new video, I am bidding bye bye. Okay, so all of you have a great day. Bye bye. Bye.